Morning, this is Rich from the Motorcycle Garage. I'm just going to do a run round of the Ducati 999S as got both side fairings off now, as I've just changed the oil filter and put the new oil in. I'll just run around where everything is on here. Anyone that gets one new, it's quite useful to know where all the bits are and where the access to everything is. So if we start the back here, obviously we've got the rear caliper, very easy to take and switch the rear brake pads if you need to, very simple indeed, just undo and undo. Also we've got swing arm here, adjuster here, nice fancy adjuster for chain tension. Rear tyres, I've got 190 on now. Pressures, people dispute anything, obviously depending how you like it, between 36 psi to the recommended 42 psi. So moving around, we've obviously got now pillion pegs and rider pegs. Down here we've got the pump for the brake, that's the hydraulic pump there. Fluid is here, just keep that fresh and topped up. It's worth changing it more frequently than people recommend, because it does absorb moisture over time, the actual brake fluid. Underneath there obviously you've got the rear spring, which can be adjusted always, but there's the adjusters there, just there. You can see the two ring adjusters to undo. I've just softened it off recently, someone had it very hard. I've just softened it off, makes a much nicer ride. The other thing with this Ducati 999S is you've got adjustment on the rider's foot peg, and you can see you can adjust it. Also you've got adjustment on the actual lever that operates the brake, so you can move that up and down, just get it right for you on the bike, better feel. Of course then you've got the dry clutch, which I've had a good look at, out and then back in again. They are fairly worn, the plates, but they're still okay at the moment. I've got a new front plate, pressure plate, not a new one, it's a new old one. Put a new bearing in it, because this bearing, it's okay, but it's a little bit worn. So I'm going to put a new pressure plate on. It's actually the same, nothing fancy, just sprayed red again, looks reasonable. And of course then I made this cover, that's the original cover, what I bought second hand, and then just drilled the holes in it. Just let the air flow around the dry plates, which is the whole idea. And then you've got the covers to the belts for the timing, valve timing. And they're easy to take off and check. When I check them with my, it's belt tension, sorry. I check them with my tester, and it's usually around 100 megahertz that you're looking for. When you ping the belt in the right place. You can see down here you've got the oil level. I've just changed the oil, so I will check it again, but I've got it about right there for now. Then you've got oil filter there, just there. Easy to spin out, torque it up at the end, very low torque, there's about 10. Then you've got the oil mesh there, and that you can get to the mesh there, the mesh filter, by undoing those floorboards. That's the lowest point of the sump, so it's worth actually undoing that when you're changing the oil, even if you don't take the mesh filter. The other side, you may not be able to see it, but it's the access, I'll come around to it, access to the oil drain plug. Here you've got the feed fore and back for the oil cooler radiator at the front. And then you've got the not very good, is it? Just clear the lens a second. see what that's like. Right.